This video shows you how to create an email account. There are other free email account options, but we're going to focus on Gmail because it is used the most. To sign up for Gmail, you must first create a Google account. Go to the Google account creation page and follow the steps on the screen to set up your account. If you cannot use the username you entered, Google will tell you that and will also provide some possible usernames you can use. Be sure to write down your username and password and keep your password secure. You should also set up a recovery phone number when asked. This phone number will allow you to verify your identity and reset your password if you forget it. To check your email, go to mail.google.com and click on Sign In. Enter your username and password. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions on the screen. For information on how to use Gmail, visit their help site. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.